Hi, my name is Nolan, the tech manager of iAmbition. iAmbition is a new innovative company which started doing business from May 2020, and we reached the break-even point in half of year, which is incredible. In this year, our revenue has exceeded $350,000, and the EPS is now greater than 2.5. So what is our company's specialty? It's very simple. It's to make life safer and better. That's it. So let's take a look at which market is iAmbition's target. iAmbition aims to become a global solution developed with high-end techs, such as big data, AI, and IoT. With these technologies, we can fulfill digital transformation in tons of business fields to improve their security, management, and service quality. So there are lots of companies that we are working with. For example, Hitachi in Japan and leading in Taiwan, NVIDIA, Hello, etc. Here's our business model. There are 3 different ways: sales, lease, and OEM. Our main target is to do with B2B company. We have brought our goods to light in many ways. For example, recently, we have taken part of many exhibitions, such as Taipei's Smart City. And we have participated lots of innovation competition and award. But our goods also introduced by tons of news and business magazine in Taiwan. Let's move our attention to our core techs briefly. The first 3 techs have been mentioned before: big data, AI, and IoT. And the rest will be the application with parallel computation. So first of all, in big data analytics, we use data lake to centralize the data sending from IoT device or edges. Based on this technology, we can easily manage and expand our system. For example, device can be set in each department of a company. Even receiving the data from another city is available. Secondly, tons of deep learning models have been trained and being ready for the markets, such as face recognition, object detection, license plate recognition, heartbeat and breathing detection, and many, many more. Our algorithm is modular design, so with data lake, it's flexible to support edge and cloud computing. Moreover, to be smaller and faster, our models support AI stick or chips, which gives a better performance in real time, such as Intel, NVIDIA, and Hello. There are many kinds of IoT devices we offered. For different cases, different types of unfit camera will be used, such as different shapes, 180-degree, LTE supported, Edge AI or thermal image camera. However, in some cases, due to privacy, it's not allowed to use on-fit camera. Therefore, we provide time-of-flight camera and millimeter wave radar. Furthermore, air quality sensor is available as well. Lastly, we provide different customized parallel computing depends on the cases, such as public and private cloud service and decentralization computing. Based on that and the previous text, the user will be able to visualize information on an application platform, like website. I'll give some more explanation in the following parts. So let's take a look at how we resolve their pain point. In construct side, there are many dangerous places in there which is not easy to maintain or to control the employee to go into. And also the networking is difficult to set in the construct side. So we provide a system to monitor the places with danger places, that if someone go into the given area, the system will alarm to the manager that someone's just crossed over the bridge, cross over the boundary. Here's another pain point that cannot be ignored, is in hospital. The rate of elderly is gradually increasing every year. However, that of healthcare workers is decreasing. Yet, it's hard to measure their physiological data firsthand without contact type device. And any accidents like fall down cannot be discovered immediately as well. Therefore, we provide AI healthcare system. This system keeps the elderly and patients away from violation by using contactless devices, adopting the abnormal status for nurses who will be able to take care of them right away, right after. But how do we do that? In fact, we use TOF camera. Compared to other on-fit cameras, it's not privacy conscious, but also can work in the place without lighting. As you can see, there's no details that can be identified, the person in the pictures, but we focus on their actions for detection. It's normal to see a contact device on patients which is used for detecting their physiological values, such as heartbeat and breathing. However, contactless devices, such as millimeter wave radar, provides a better experience for elderly and patients. Fire detection device is well used in the market. However, the lack of early warning for the beginning of fire is one of pain point. Therefore, if an emergency occurs, it's easy for to respond, and it is impossible to extinguish the fire in the first time. So we give a system that can give an earlier warning for the user that any kind of small fire or smoke happening in the area. So basically, in a small room that we only give one TOF camera and one radar sensor can do the things that we have mentioned before, such as fall detection and heartbeat and breathing detection. This is the world's first multifunctional integrated smart case management system for early detection and notification of abnormalities based on residents' behavior. So here's a demo that shows how we detect the fall action. When someone falls down in the room, the top right corner will show a red button to alarm the nurse someone's falling in the room, so that she or he can go to that room to check what's happening immediately. Here's another demo that shows the radar sensor to detect our heartbeat or breathing. If someone is lying on the bed, there will be a person showing on the website. And you can also get the values on the screen. But if he leave the bed, then it will show the leaving bed red line on the website. So that's it. That's our demo videos. Thanks for listening.